Hello Polders, I received a request from our one of our Today I will teach you on how to use the Google Sheet on your Google account. Make sure your Google account is logged in. Then you will see the 3 by 3 app launcher. Scroll down and you will find the Google Sheet icon. Then click the plus button to create new Google Sheet file. The advantages of using Google Sheet is that what you type is automatically being saved, and it is being saved on your Google Drive or in the cloud. Another way to create Google Sheet is by visiting the drive.google.com, then click the new button, then find Google Sheet. So that's all, folders. If you want other tutorials to be featured on your diverse channel, please leave a comment. Again, I am Polder. Bye.